Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. This is Mehhtab, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create this sheet metal model in Solidworks. This part is called tablet stand. This has a complexity of tier 5. You can find this type of sheet metal drawings in tutorialtoby.com. Let's check what is the mass of this part in x-axis grams, tolerance plus minus 2 grams, units mmgs, and material plain carbon steel. Alright, let's create a nice approach for this one. Let's look at the isometric view. First feature we want to create a simple base flange. For this we can select our base flange to be this part right here. Then we can create an angular edge flange by editing this flange profile and extend it up to a blind depth because we don't know how much it will go. Then we can create a vertical line from this and create a normal cut to get this cut done. Now we need to extend the tab. Along with the hole we can extend the tab, and later we can create this side flange of 90 degrees, goes 30 millimeters. After that we are only left with the slotted cut and the fillets. Okay, that's our approach. Now let's begin. Let's go to SolidWorks. First of all, let me set up my overlays. There we go. You can see the drawing too at the bottom right corner to keep up with me. Let's go. Material is 10 carbon steel, MGS PCS. We have our sheet metal tab open. Let's open the drawing first in the okay, let's go and speed run it or do it with a timer. Open a new window and let's take this drawing to the second monitor. Okay, now as our plan, the first base flange in the front plane, this origin, let's go 26 by 65, and then we can make these two lines construction geometry and go to sheet metal base flange or tab. Now we want the direction to be mid plane. The direction is the depth is 74. Sheet metal parameters, the thickness is 3 millimeters and the radius is 3 millimeters as well. You can see on the magenta nodes, and now we can see we need to reverse this direction. So let's just reverse the direction and hit OK. Now we need to create an edited edge flange that goes 61 degrees from this edge. So let's go and edge flange. We don't know the depth, but we know the angle is 61 degrees. So let's hit 61 degrees and see what happens. Okay, the x-axis is right here, so it makes 61 degrees like this, but we want it like with this edge, which means we need to subtract this 61 from 180 degrees. And there we have it, but we don't have the correct flange position. We need to set the material outside. Now this will extend at blind depth, just so it extends this vertical line. Let's hit OK and cut it using a normal cut option in the cut extrude feature. Let's hit sketch on this face. From the origin, let's draw a rectangle, just an arbitrary rectangle, and just cut extrude. Right click through all and use this normal cut option. Now we can see that this is cutting normally instead of making it so that it's not hard to machine it. Now we need to we didn't edit the flange profile. It says 36, so let's just make it 36, and from this edge it should be 19 millimeters. There we go. Let's finish, and we have a nice edge flange. Now we need to create the extension of the tab. Let's create a nice rectangle here. This goes 106 by 96 over 2, which is 48 millimeters. Now from here we need to create a slot cut. Let's do it this way just so it doesn't interfere us. let's keep the trimmed entities as construction geometry so that after we assign the dimensions it doesn't become underdefined. Okay, the radius is 2.5 and the height from the top edge is 10. Next we have a fully defined sketch. We just need to make a tab out of it. Nice. Now let's add this flange and mirror it. So from this edge there will be a flange. Material should be inside. The depth should be 30 millimeters, and that's about it. We can do the fillets for this one. It says 15 millimeters for this. Oh, it's not 15 actually, or is it? It's not 15. Okay, we need to create a full round fillet for this one. So just like that, hit here, right click, hit here, right click, hit here, right click, done. That's a nice workflow for a full round fillet. Toby taught me this. Okay, now we need to mirror this edge flange, this tab, this edge flange, and this fillet, and the plane should be the front plane. Mirror, okay, and there we go. We need to add the fillets and the slotted cuts. We need two slotted cuts for this. Let's create the first one in this face. Just create a slot. The radius is 5 millimeters, and from the top edge it is given as 111 in magenta. Let's cut it and link it to thickness. There we go. Now another cut should be right here, and this should also be 5 radius, and from this origin it should be 58. Now for this cut we don't want to link it to thickness, so we just want to blind extrusion up to this edge. Let's nice, it looks beautiful. Only thing left are the fillets. Let's go for corner break in this one. Expand this menu and select break corner. We want the break type to be fillets and the radius to be 15 millimeters. And let's choose the corners. This one. Okay, we can just select this face. This one is 15 too, and this one is 15 along with this one. Nice. Right click and all the corners are filleted. Okay, it looks done. Nothing's left. Let's check the mass. 428.11 grams. Let's check if this is correct. 428.11. Oh yeah, the purple screen is popping up and this is correct. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. We'll meet on the next one. Peace.